Hello everyone. Today, we're talking about hiccups. Hiccups are a common phenomenon that almost everyone experiences at some point in their lives, but many people don't really know what causes them or how to get rid of them. So, what exactly are hiccups? Well, hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle, which is the muscle that separates the chest and abdominal cavities. These contractions are followed by the closure of the vocal cords, which creates the characteristic hic sound. Hiccups can occur at any time and for a variety of reasons, and they usually go away on their own within a few minutes. There are many different theories about what causes hiccups, but the exact cause is still not well understood. Some common triggers include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden changes in temperature. Stress and excitement can also cause hiccups, and in some cases, they can be a symptom of an underlying medical condition. So, why do we get hiccups in the first place? Well, it's thought that hiccups are a protective mechanism that helps to prevent the ingestion of food or liquids into the lungs. The contraction of the diaphragm muscle helps to close the esophagus and prevent food or liquid from entering the lungs. While hiccups are usually harmless, they can be annoying and even painful in some cases. If you have persistent hiccups that last for days or even weeks, it's important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions, such as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, a hernia, or even a brain tumor. So, what can you do to get rid of hiccups? Well, there are many home remedies that people have used with varying degrees of success. Some popular methods include holding your breath, drinking a glass of water upside down, or even being scared. However, these remedies may not work for everyone, and in some cases, hiccups can last for days or even weeks. If you have persistent hiccups, it's important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions and to discuss other treatment options, such as medication or even surgery in severe cases. In conclusion, hiccups are a common and usually harmless condition. While there is no one surefire way to get rid of them, there are many home remedies you can try. If your hiccups persist, it's important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions and to discuss other treatment options. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.